Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Firefox. So let's have a look now. At first, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-line menu icon to access the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Help and then click on Troubleshooting Information. In the Troubleshooting Information tab, on the right side, you will find a section called Give Firefox a Tune-Up. Click on the Refresh Firefox button. A confirmation dialog box will appear, stating that Firefox will reset to its default state while saving essential information. Click Refresh Firefox to process. Firefox will begin the reset process, removing add-ons and customizations. After completion, it will display a message confirming the reset. Click on Finish to relaunch Firefox with default settings. Once Firefox restarts, you will have a clean browser. You can reconfigure preferences, re-enable extensions, and personalize your settings as needed. And that's how you reset Firefox. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.